Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can download more wallpapers for your home and lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on wallpaper and style. Then in here, if you want to download more wallpaper, you go down to the bottom and tap on explore more wallpapers. Then in here, you can go to the wallpaper tab at the bottom and go down the list here and search for a wallpaper that you would like to download. And in here, you can choose top or features. If you want to look for a free wallpaper, you tap on the free icon and this will show all the wallpaper that is free. And from the list here, you can go down and select a wallpaper that you would like to use. So there's quite plenty for you to choose from. So select a wallpaper, and if you're happy with that wallpaper, you can tap on the download button. Now just wait for the download to finish and then tap on the apply button. And in here you can tap on apply to home screen, lock screen, or lock and home screen. And then tap on set on lock and home screen. And that's it. Now you can tap on the apply button. Now choose a color palette. So I'm going to choose the default palette and then tap on applied. Then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. That is how you can download new wallpapers for the home and lock screen background on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.